Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make simple chocolate designs for cupcakes. Like you can make chocolate hearts, stars, or anything that you really like. You can be as creative as you like. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. So I've already melted some chocolate. I've melted the chocolate and then poured it into these piping bags. I've got white chocolate and milk chocolate. There are some piping bags where you can actually melt the chocolate in them, but I've run out of those. I would have shown you. Like you buy them, you put your chocolate in there and then put them in the microwave. Okay, so I'm going to snip the ends. I didn't put nozzles on this one because I don't want nozzles on them. I'm just going to snip the ends. Snipped the end. You can snip it as much as you want. Depends on what look you're going for. I'm using parchment paper. Let's see. So this one's too little, but anyway, you can cut it bigger if you want to. And I'm going to pipe some. They don't have to be very neat, or you can just do what you can. So I've got this white one. I can leave them like this, or I can fill them. I'm going to fill some and probably leave some unfilled. Okay. And I'm going to do another one here. Okay. You can smoothen them out a bit like that. You can use a toothpick to make the shape better. See, so much better. It's not bumpy. Like that. And I'm also going to snip the end of the milk chocolate one to do another heart one. See, daisy. You can always clear it up later. This hole's a bit too big, but I'll fix it soon. You can actually, what? Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. So, another one maybe there. You can actually carry on with it so that you don't stop. And I'm going to fill this one in, and I'll smooth it with toothpick. This one I think I'll just fill it, because fixing it just a bit will take a bit long. But if you make mistakes, it's okay. You can always fill it, or you can wipe it off with a paper towel and start again. The thing you can do is use nozzles. I've got these very tiny nozzles with different shapes, and you can fit it over a piping bag. You can watch a video above on how to fit this in a piping bag. I'm going to show you while using one. So I've fitted a nozzle on there at the end. I'm going to pipe some here. Go like that and like that. Okay. I'm just going to leave these to set. If you don't have enough time, you can put them in the fridge. Okay, the chocolates have now set. They'll be easy to peel off if they're set properly. Can you see that? So easy to peel off. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I've already baked some cupcakes. To learn how to bake cupcakes, click on the link above. Okay, I'm going to frost this with cream cheese frosting. Okay, and put it on a cupcake that I've already decorated with some vanilla cream cheese frosting. Okay, so this one White and 2. this one. Okay, so you can play around with your shapes in any way you want. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.